another video. So for today's vlog guys is I'll be doing a Shopee haul. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell as well to get updated when I have an upcoming videos. And yung ina-haul ko guys, yung hino-haul ko is yung mga binili ko din sa Shopee. And these mga items is shorts, t-shirts, case, like that. So, yung first guys is the case. So, ito siya. Dalawa yung binili ko. The one that this camera. The case this. And the one is ito. Ito. Wala siyang case. So, binilhan ko siya. Ganyan. Start your morning. Super nice guys. Ganyan. So, i-try natin guys. Ito. And look, it's so nice. So nice. And I got it from the Shopee guys, 68 pesos ito siya. And ito naman siya is 98 pesos. I bought this in different shops. Ganyan. Super nice guys. Ang ganda sobra. I like it because meron siyang dyan sa para hindi na maano yung phone mo, malaglag. Ayan. And the next guys is, let's proceed the shorts. Ito siya. Medyo malaki-laki siya sa akin kasi free size lang yung available doon. Para yung small, medium, and large. Kaya free size lang. So, ito siya. Super ganda. Yung in-order ko is beige. Beige nga. Color. May ka-yellowish siya guys. And yan yung tela niya. Yan yung tela niya. And tatlo yung in-order ko. The dark blue. It's dark blue guys. It's dark blue. And the black. This one is the black. Super nice guys. Nagustuhan ko yung side niya sa gilid. Yung ito niya. May white na border. Gusto ko siya. Super nice. Ang ganda ng tela niya. Tingnan nyo. These three shorts guys, this beige, your yellowish color, dark blue color, and the black color, and it cost 69 pesos each, and I bought 3 because it's super nice and affordable. So guys, super ganda niya. And the jogging pants, guys. Some jogging pants. color black yung in-order ko nito. May white siya, guys, kasi binigay ko sa kapatid ko. So, ito yung black. May pink siya dito. And pink siya dito. And super ganda. Stretchable siya, guys. Oh, stretchable siya. Yan. May buttons pa siya dito. Super ganda. Got it from the Shopee. 150 pesos. 150 pesos siya. And super nice niya, guys. The next is shorts again. I bought this. The black one and the pink. And it's the same, guys. I bought it from different shops again. And this one is 40 pesos. 40 pesos. And this one is 38 pesos. Super ganda niya, guys. I love the clothing. And this too. Pamay na lang. Super ganda niya. And let's proceed to the t-shirts, guys. T-shirt tayo. For the t-shirt is this. Peachy. I choose color white because it's so ganda. And it's oversized t-shirt, guys. Look. Oversized, and this size is I choose XL para oversized talaga sa akin. Yeah, ito siya. Peachy. Color white. And ang ganda ng fabric, guys. Super smooth. Tingnan nyo. Super ganda niya. Stretchable siya, guys. And I got it from the Shopee 99 pesos. 99 pesos, guys. Ito siya. So the second, guys, is ito. Color white again. Champion. It's super nice. Cotton yung cloth niya. I got it 65 pesos. And large yung size niya kasi hindi available yung XL nila. So ito siya. Hindi siya masyadong malaki kasi hindi siya XL. And ang ganda niya. Gusto ko yung niya, yung lettering dito sa Champion. Ganyan. Super nice. So, the next is this. T-shirt, color black. Ganyan. Girls Don't Cry. Yan siya. And I choose XL again, guys. Yan. Tingnan nyo. XL. Kita nyo. XL yung size niya. Nakita nyo. Ganyan. And it's the same shop, guys. Itong sinuot ko ngayon. Siya. Yung teddy bear. Yun. It's the same. For this one, the same shop. And saka ito. And ito. Ito yung color black. It's super nice. Ito siya. I like the t-shirt, guys, is yung picture niya sa center. So, I love it. Super cute ng image. And tingnan niyo yung cloth niya. The same lang din yung Super ganda and extra large siya, guys. Extra large. Extra large. Ganyan, medyo malaki-laki yung t-shirt na to. And white, again, yung in-order ko. So, ito siya. Nice. Ang laki lang. So, those 3 t-shirts. So, ito yung first. Second, this black. This black. Second, then this third shirt is the same shop lang siya. So, siya in-order. Ayan. And this t-shirt, guys, is I got this 3 t-shirt, guys, 74 pesos each. Sobrang mura niya siya. And ito. And ito. So, yun lang siya, guys. And yung mga links sa mga items is, I'll put the link in the description box. And that's all for today's vlog, guys. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And click the notification bell as well to keep you updated when I have an upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, guys. And see you next video. Bye!